As an altruistic and sympathetic act towards the poor and downtrodden, former MLA of Nongthymmai and currently the General Secretary of the United Democratic Party, Dr Jemino Mawthoh, had inaugurated the newly constructed house at Lum Marboh, Nongrah, of Eldrin Marboh and her husband in Nongkhlaw on the 18th of October 2022. Mention may be made that Dr Jemino Mawthoh had from time to time been helping the underprivileged through various schemes of the government so as to enable the people to live better lives. Marboh and her family were identified as recipients after a survey of the area was conducted by members of the youth and women's organizations. Expressing his gratitude to the various frontal organizations of the Darbar Nongrah for their effort and involvement in the construction of the house, Dr Jemino Mawthoh said that it is a joy to be able to help those in need, and he is hopeful that the house would be a blessing to Eldrin Marboh and her family. At the same time, Mawthoh said that as he had been contributing for the past many years, he will continue to do so towards the welfare and well-being of the people of Nongthymmai constituency.
Dengan semua di mana aku beli ya kini ki samlah, ki bela ya lam lenti, ki bela betin lenti, bela peni lenti, moh. Ban wat ikini ki longyeng longsem ki beduk, ban yang kedua ikini ki longyeng longsem ki beduk, akan ika Shillong Nongrah. Dia hadian bah nakaliang jongki kilaya kedua kilai peni, bagi don kat tu kat ni ki longyeng ki longsem moh ki bam don tang ka yang ka sem ru. Dia bat ki bah syam sitom ha moh. Haka bai dei bat ka rukom im ke jongki yang sem man pendap man penbiang nak bentar yang sem man pendap penbiang nak bentar ki kun ki keti ki jongki de nakaliang jonga na persyang hi kat bala ban ya don bentar ban ya no senyang lang haka bai dei bat ka jing snai ke ni ke yang ban ngasmo bodi ban ai khublei kerpang ni ke ni ki samla bat ki long kebih ba nakaliang jongki ru kila wan ban yaram ban pentre ban snai ke ni ke yang moh dia halai jong i bentah nakaliang jong i dia kejing don lang ke jong pi kejing don rengkat lang jong i lang baro moh kan ni hi kan long kejing kerku ya pi kong Eldrin Marboh dia nget ba ublei try kan rat unang don rengkat bat pi nang don rengkat bat ke yang ke sem ke jong pi ba bat ya kan ni ke kan hon ke jong i ru moh banang ni sekhamat lu pinang ya tre nak bentah ki pat ba nok Shillong jong kan ka constituency jong kan ka Shillong hi baga kumdong ni la ban yarap ban keniar ka keti ke jing yarap ke jongi anu do por ke jing don kam ke jongki